Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get to Fort Fujitou in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, press M on your keyboard, which will bring up your map, like so. Now zoom all the way out like I already have, and then scroll down. So, until you find Yashiori Island, which is right over here. Zoom in, like so, and here you can see Fort Fujitou. Just click on this teleport waypoint right here, and then on the bottom right side of your screen, click on teleport. After you do this, you will be teleported to the location. So here you can see I'm in Fort Fujitou now. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!